What's good? What's good? What's good, chat? What's goody? Yo, it's been a minute, bro. How y'all been, bro? Shit been going great for me, but you know what I'm saying? Got called the hard R last night. It was crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, other than that, I need my respect. But we are here with a reaction video, man. Back with no... But let me start with the intro, man. What's good, y'all? It's your boy DCO Enterprises, and we are back with another reaction video, back with some more content, and back with another banger. So now we have Hurricane freaking Wisdom, the best artist of 2025, and probably still the best artist of 2026, bro. I've been begging this snippet for months, and now he finally dropped it. But Hurricane, why his song so fucking short? We don't know. But without further ado, over now, video is out. Let's get to it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it, baby. Let's get to it. That's how a good song gets made. The hook, bro. The song don't gotta be long for y'all to make a good song. Dead serious. You see Hurricane doing it.
Say I'm getting older. I don't like to be alone, but you can leave. I'm the tired screaming, it ain't over till it's over. But it's over now, you heard it loud from me.
Telling you, chat, he's so tough, bro. Yo, that song's so fire, chat. But like I was saying, a lot of good things coming, a lot of new things coming. I'm locked in. Live, love, laugh, man. Win, lose, learn, chat. You gotta lose in order to win. I miss doing reactions, and I missed all you guys. More reactions coming soon, man. Love y'all. I'm out.
This is my definition of love. Love is not what you can give. It's about what you can take.
All of the lies that you told me.
Didn't receive it, didn't want it. Just a pretender.
All of the years that I gave you, and all of the vows that I made you.
All of these years, I get you right off my mind. Can't get you right, mine. You messed up, I had no time. I didn't see it, but pain I can't receive it. Like pain I can't receive it. My medicine's mistreated. My heart so broke, receded. My love so lost, retreated. My love so lost, retreated. I had your heart defeated. You took my heart and stabbed it. So my love left you elastic, and my love left me so plastic, and my heart left me so drastic. My life left me fantastic, and my bitch ain't do me like that shit. And my bitch ain't do me like that shit. And I wanna get money like fast shit. Feel like Paul fucking Walker on Niggas hating on me, I'm getting fast shifts, I'm getting fast clips. Now I got this bitch, she riding fast dick. Now she giving head and back a bay whips. And niggas hating on me now until I make it flip. And then I make it drip. Whoa, whoa. Can't even receive it. And you can't even believe it. You can't even believe it. I want you. 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 Baby, I want you. I want you. Baby, I want you. I want you. Baby, I want you. Baby, I want you. You can't even believe it. Baby, I want you. Baby, I want